Hi everyone, my name is Jane and I am the one who created this page, SMS Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you the coding, the logic, and the database files that are used in this page. You may change the code or change the data to meet your requirement after you install the application software. This page is to ask individuals if they would like to sign up for an automatic SMS service. Our SMS service can automatically send out the daily information to our subscribers, such as local weather, agriculture tips, and world news. The step 1 is optional. You can create the Excel file or MDB file to store the list of phone numbers. You may click on that. As you can see, there's a phone number column. It could be anywhere, but all the phone numbers should be in one column. The first row has to be a heading. You may save it as your own files, and later you put all the phone numbers here, and in the step 2, next step, you can browse the file to get the file you want. Let's say I get this file, and once you import it, the program will upload the file to the server and guess which column is has all the phone numbers. You may change the column to your own one, the sheet stuff. The program uses this regular expression to guess the phone number column. If the most of the values on one column matches this regular expression, this column and its table or sheet name will be selected. You may also filter out some phone numbers. Here you can narrow list by choose like which phone number you only want to display, or you add to the list by certain criteria, or exclude something from the list. In my code, and string is for narrowing list. All string is for adding to list. Not string is for exclude from list. Here is the where SQL statement. Now you may choose the service to ask the individuals whether they want to subscribe. We have weather, agriculture, and world news. You may select weather and you choose the city, place, stuff, and also if you choose this one, it will be changed for you to choose countries, regions. For this agriculture tips, the reason we choose country and region and decide the crops is because the crops in a different region in different country have different order of phases. It has such as soil and management, planting, pre-harvesting or harvesting something. Our SMS service will choose the most related tips during phases to the subscribers. So you choose like region, and then you can choose crops. And then here the solicitation the message already formed based on what you choose. But you can always change it here. Whatever you changed will send out to the list of the phone numbers. Let me show you where we stored all these services and all the parameters. The services information is stored in the dashboard data directory. This CRM all subscriptions.mdb file. This table services underscore parameter questions contains all the services, and the questions parameter available frequency parameter for weather's country. For world news, the first one is language. For crop, the first one is country, and parameter 2, 3, all this stuff. This is one important table. The other one is the services, which is the one we have. Like whenever you choose the country for the agricultural tips, if it's not here, it will add more services. So our SMS service will use this table to send out messages. The other one is this subscriber services. Those are the phone numbers, service name. So the SMS service will use those information. By the way, there's another list of phone numbers I need to mention, which is CRM list. You can choose this one too. As you can see in our system, we have these list names. Each name store different phone numbers. See, this name has these phone numbers, and for this name is this. The database stored those information is here. Dashboard, data directory, and file name called survey engine data.mdb. And this table, contact lists, is the one, or this list name and the phone numbers. You may add more to the list here, or you may create a new list name. For example, demo, and you put all the phone numbers you want. The important thing, you need to put the location and the country. The name is optional. Let's get back to the last step. We can hide this one. Here we have options to ask the individual phone numbers about profile questions. Those are the profile questions. These questions are stored in dashboard data directory CRM default.mdb file. You can see all the fields are here. First name, last name, country. And the profile contains each phone numbers and first name, country, all the informations. So if the phone number we send out the request, decide to sign up, we will ask more questions about what's their first name, last name, what's their country stuff. So it will insert the records into this table. But if the phone number is already in the profile table, and for example, if I click this first name, last name, and it's already have information for the phone numbers, it won't ask. Now let's see, I click send. It's just ask you, are you sure? It says registration request was sent out to 2 phone numbers. The way the program does is it created a text file for each phone number and stored in our SMS bot SMS server queue folder out. Let's see, out, and there's 2 files. Each file name contains file contains phone numbers and the message wants to send out. Our SMS bot application periodically check this folder, the out folder. If there are any files in this folder, SMS bot will send the content to the phone numbers stored in the file. The second thing the program does after send button being clicked is to store the data into our SMS bot folder, SMS server, databases, CRM folder. Here you can see pending registration.mdb. It has follow-up main questions. These IDs would be in order. you can see those are the questions sent out to two different phone numbers. This is sign up questions. So if the user send out the feedback, if they said 1, which means they want to sign up, so the SMS bot will check this table to see whether this phone number has this phone number has the request. If so, then the SMS bot will insert this phone number to the subscriber's services. If they answered 2, which is no, then the SMS bot will delete this line. After being processed, the SMS bot will ask the next question, which is the first name for this individual phone numbers. And then it would be like different phone numbers. Eventually, it will be all the information was stored in this dashboard, data directly, CRM, or subscriptions. You see these subscriber services. Those are the one SMS service will use to send out daily information. The SMS bot could insert the records into here if the user answered 1 back. You can also put more information and the service names here, and then it also works. If you add more records here, the service name has to be in the services. The reason you need to put service name here is because it has all these parameters. You may create more service name by using SMS content, which is here. You see you could add more service names. That's all for this page, Total SMS Marketing. Thank you.